Well, hey everyone, welcome back to the 7Demo7 YouTube channel. And today is a really exciting day because today I got my OneWheel. So if you guys are new to my channel, if you're a OneWheel fan and you're just joining me, you're going to come along with me on this adventure. Now normally this channel is all about radio controlled things, drones, cars, airplanes, all kinds of radio control things and things that I just make. So this is going to be pretty exciting. So let's just get right into it here. I'm going to go ahead and open up the box. So I just ordered this for myself for Christmas. It just came in now. It is December 28th today, so came fairly fast. Let me go ahead and open this up. And if you guys are my usual RC subscribers, you might consider getting one of these because they seem like they're extremely fun. Now, if you guys don't know what a OneWheel is, it is a one-wheeled skateboard basically that can go off-road and has a maximum range of about 18 miles or so. Here we have it. This is the OneWheel XR. It has a 12 to 18 mile range. Let's just take a quick look at the box here. Now the OneWheels are quite expensive for what they are, but you do have to take into consideration that they are based in the United States out of San Jose. It does take a little bit more money to produce a product here in the United States, but let's go ahead and take a look inside the box here. Now my initial thought about this, this OneWheel is that number one, it's going to be a whole lot of fun. And my son and my daughter can ride it, my wife can ride it. So my intentions with this OneWheel is to be able to commute to work twice a week possibly with the OneWheel here. So here is the OneWheel. It looks pretty darn cool. Actually, I've never actually seen one of these up close in real life. So looks like up here in the corner we have some literature, some cards, lots of cards. Maybe this is intended like when you're riding your OneWheel around. People are like, "What is that?" You've got this huge stack of cards. Say, "Here, take one of these." So we have the OneWheel charger here. Oh yeah, it just lifts right out. There we go. Here's the OneWheel XR. So it shows you where you should put your feet. So from what I understand, the battery is on the heavy side, which is always your back foot, and your front foot is always going to be on the front here. So let me go ahead and take these off. And before I actually ride this, I am going to plug it in for probably 24 hours just to make sure that the battery is fully charged. But the quality of this thing looks really, really cool. This big fat go-kart tire looks pretty neat as well. I'm wondering what the PSI of the tire is. I have a little tire gauge that I can check it out. Stay tuned to my channel. I'm gonna be doing my first ride, commuting, how many miles I get on it, how well the Bluetooth app works, because now that I was anticipating getting this in, I've read a lot about it, where some of the major problems are with it, and we'll go over all that stuff as we go along. So anyway, this thing looks pretty cool. Thanks for joining my channel, and if you want to see some more content about the OneWheel, stay tuned and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.